Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where honest opinions meet real-world testing. And today, I've got something compact, fast, and surprisingly capable sitting on my counter. It's the Bella 6-piece Portable Rocket Blender, a little press and twist machine that promises smooth blends, quick prep, and a design built for people who want convenience without sacrificing performance. At first glance, it looks small, but sometimes small appliances carry more punch than you expect. So I wanted to really see if this little unit lives up to the promises. This is a lightweight personal blender built around a 240-watt motor paired with a 4-tip stainless steel blade. It comes with two 13.5-ounce BPA-free cups, 2 lids, and a compact base with a cord wrap built in. It's designed for quick blends, smoothies, small batch soups, salsas, dips, oat milk, and the kind of everyday blends you want without pulling out a full-size blender. The press and twist design is meant to simplify the process, especially for people who don't want buttons, presets, or complicated timing. And the stackable accessories are clearly aimed at people dealing with limited countertop space or small kitchens. On paper, it's offering simplicity and speed, solving a very common issue. People want a blender that doesn't feel like a chore to use or clean. That's what the design is built around. When I started using it, the setup took almost no thought. I rinsed the cups, wiped down the blade assembly, set the base on the counter, and that was pretty much all it required. The operation itself is exactly what the product promises. Fill the cup, twist on the blade, press it into the base, and twist to lock it into blending mode. I tested it with a few different blends because this kind of compact blender usually has clear strengths and weaknesses. First, I went for a simple smoothie: frozen strawberries, banana, oat milk, and a handful of chia seeds. This is where the 240-watt motor surprised me. It didn't pulverize the frozen fruit as fast as a larger 1,000-watt unit would, but given its size, it handled everything without stalling or leaving big chunks behind. I'd call the texture smooth enough for daily use, especially if your expectations match the wattage. You're not buying a powerhouse, it's a personal blender. But within that category, it performs exactly as you'd want. I moved on to crushing ice because that's where many smaller blenders hit their limit. Using 8 small ice cubes in 1 cup, it took a little patience. You'll get results, but you're better off letting the ice settle into the liquid rather than trying to crush a cup of dry cubes. It handled it, but you can tell that this is more of a smoothie and soft produce machine than an ice crusher. For seeds, chia, flax, or anything similar, it blends them well when they're part of a liquid base. I also tried a quick salsa with tomatoes, cilantro, lime juice, onion, and a couple of jalapeno slices. It produced a clean, consistent texture without turning it into soup, which was a nice surprise. About halfway through testing, I realized that the real charm of this blender is how little mental energy it takes to use it. No settings, no fuss, just twist and go. And speaking of going, if you're enjoying the breakdown so far, this is a good moment to tap like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. It helps the channel more than you know, and I always appreciate having you here. Now, as much as the performance matters, the everyday usability matters just as much. The cups feel sturdy enough for daily use. They're portable, they don't leak when the lid is screwed on properly, and the size is great for single servings. The stackability is genuinely helpful, especially if your kitchen space is limited. Everything nests neatly, and the base is compact enough to tuck in a cabinet without taking up unnecessary room. Cleanup might be my favorite part. The cups and lids go straight into the dishwasher, and the blade assembly wipes clean easily with warm water and soap. When life is busy, a blender that doesn't fight back during cleanup is a blessing. When I think about the positives here, the ease of use is the first thing that comes to mind. The press and twist motion is simple and eliminates the learning curve. For morning smoothies or quick snacks, it doesn't slow you down. The compact size is another strong point because not everyone has space for a bulky appliance. The blending performance is solid for soft ingredients, frozen fruits, and liquid-based mixes, especially considering its motor wattage. And the cups, while not enormous, are perfect for grab-and-go servings. On the other side, you'll feel the limitations if you try to push it beyond its intended use. The motor isn't built for heavy loads, thick nut butters, or long blend times. Crushing large amounts of ice isn't its strength. And if you want ultra-smooth, professional-grade smoothies, this isn't competing with larger premium blenders. Those aren't deal breakers. They're just natural limitations of a compact 240-watt unit. Another thing worth noting is cup size. At 13.5 ounces, you're getting single portions only. If you want big, protein-packed blends or family-size batches, you'll need a different appliance. These downsides aren't flaws so much as realities of the design, but there's still things people should be aware of before buying. Price always matters, and this blender sits in the budget-friendly category. When you compare it to similar compact blenders in the same price bracket, you'll find options with higher wattage or slightly larger cups, but often they lose out on portability or simplicity. Some competitors offer more power but lack the stackable storage design. Others include more accessories but take up more space or have more complicated controls. What makes this one stand out is its balance of portability, ease of use, and straightforward blending capability. You're not choosing it for raw power, you're choosing it for convenience. And at its typical price, that trade-off feels fair. Whether it's the best value depends on your expectations. If you want simplicity and quick blends, you're getting what you pay for. If you want more versatility, you might consider stepping up to a slightly more powerful unit. Build quality is about what I expect from Bella at this tier. The plastic cups feel durable enough for daily blending and dishwasher use. The blade assembly is solid stainless steel and has a reliable feel. The motor base is lightweight, which is normal for a compact blender, but it still sits securely on the counter. Given the wattage and design, I'd expect normal longevity. Nothing extraordinary, nothing disappointing. Bella products generally hold up decently when used within their intended range, and this one seems to follow that pattern. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out for this product specifically, but Bella as a brand has a decent reputation for providing straightforward support, simple warranty processes, and accessible troubleshooting. For a budget-friendly appliance, their customer service track record is relatively positive. Bringing everything together, this little blender has a clear purpose, and it delivers on that purpose well. It's ideal for quick smoothies, light blends, and people who want a hands-off, uncomplicated experience. Its strengths are convenience, portability, and ease of cleaning. Its weaknesses are tied to its size and wattage. You shouldn't expect heavy-duty blending or oversized servings. If you're someone who wants power blending for tough ingredients, this won't be the right fit. But if what you need is a compact blender that does everyday tasks efficiently without hogging your counter, it genuinely earns its place in the kitchen. It fulfills the claims it makes, and for its target audience, it's a dependable option. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you want to check out this product, you'll find it in the comments box. If you've used this blender already or have questions about it, feel free to share your thoughts below. I always enjoy hearing from you. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of gadgets with Reviews Inside TV.